Okay, I'm picking up on a second video of my projects. I'm going to shift over to the big round table. Show you some pieces from that. I've got, at this point, two pieces of veneer. This is a long veneering process where veneer gets glued onto a piece of plywood and then onto a second piece. And all these veneer pieces are done through here in my vacuum press. So that's my little vacuum pump. Can't see it, it's hidden underneath there. But when I seal that all up in that bag, it draws a vacuum and tightens everything down. Works pretty well. Here's my mill drill. Got a big project I'm working on at some point. Hope to be able to use this other than a place to collect cutoffs. But anyway, so let's talk about this round table. We'll go outside and pick it up. So I'm going to take these two pieces and show you how that goes. While I do that, I'm just going to blacken out the video in case this gets someplace where I really don't want it to be seen how I get out to the barn. But right now I'm just leaving my my basement shop and we'll go out to the barn. So out here we'll continue with the round table and the Bible case and some lighting as I was able to get out here. So we come in here and it's really dark, but last week I was able, if I don't trip here, to install several LED lights. I put those pieces of veneer down. So I start by turning on, I forget what switch. This switch up here turns on that one, and then I got a second set. Must be, whoa, let's not trip and fall, kill ourselves. There. So now I have a lot of light in here compared to absolutely nothing. So you can see I've got these LEDs and they cast a lot of lumens or however they got it. Anyway, so let's get back to the projects. This piece here, even with the lighting, it's hard to see it. This is the Bible case. So those two drawers will go in the upper section. The bottom three sections are open. They'll store the Bibles in there. And then the top will get placed over that opening there. Now all of this sits on top of a base, which I got set up on the teletower here. Try to go around and give you a better shot of it. You can see that that's my base for the whole thing. And one of the main features is this interesting little circular detail at the bottom that gets maintained throughout the design, so that the walnut base here has that same, and they'll match up when this comes down and sits on here. And that top then fills this cavity here, and those reading stands will sit on top of the top with the drawers inside. So that's a quick overview of the Bible case. Now over here is my big 80-inch in diameter table. We're already approaching 4 minutes on this, but long project to get it this far. Two pieces of plywood on the top, two on the bottom, glued together at cross 90-degree angles. And then it's edge banded all around in solid wood. There's more detail. I'll make a second video of that. And now I'm taking all these different individual pieces of veneer and basically gluing these pieces on one at a time. So right now I've just got these two roughly cut at their 45s. I'll have to trim them and get them so that they fit perfectly. But I set these in and put glue underneath, and I glue them down one panel at a time. So it's quite complicated. I can't get this thing inside my veneer press. But when it's all said and done, we're going to have this herringbone pattern on the top, and the upper part will get rounded over. Well, that's about a 5-minute video. Tried to be as quick as I could, but that's my big round table going on here in the barn. You saw the inside work and portions of the Bible case coming together.